Hi, in this video, I show you the use case text to process to automation. If you want to have more details, please read the SAP blog post, which is attached to the video. This use case has 5 steps, and I assume that you already have a text which describes your process. Otherwise, check out the blog post. There I have a hint how to solve that. So now you can use the text in the AI feature, text to process in SAP Signavio. Simply copy and paste the text, and the BPMN diagram will be generated. New is the dictionary integration. So if a task or role already exists, the feature offers you to link it directly with the dictionary in SAP Signavio. If you like, you can do manual changes here in the Process Manager. Otherwise, please export the result and import it in SAP Build Process Automation. Now you have a process structure from Signavio here in SAP Build Process Automation. So with just a few clicks, we documented a process and started an automation project, which you can finish. I hope you enjoyed the use case. Have fun developing. See you next time. Bye.